So, hello and welcome to today's live stream. Just checking if everything works. Yep. So, okay, that's a bit sad because the 230 news were like a nice target to the upside. But we will start from the beginning. Oops. So, I'm going to remove all the drawings. We are currently in the 4-hour chart, and what's nice is all the liquidity resting here. We will see if we inverse this 4-hour in 30 minutes. And I'm just checking how the delay is. Okay. Yeah, so to the upside we have an interesting target here above. This is the buy side liquidity. Yeah, as said, we will we'll see if we inverse this 4-hour. That almost got inversed but didn't hit like for a few ticks. Yeah, so we will see in 30 minutes, and on a 1 hour this looks like a bit like low resistance liquidity. We'll see if it is like that on the lower time frames. This 1 hour got respected, so it would be nice if we inverse this 4-hour to be like totally bullish, but this is the 5 minute. We are currently in the 1 hour and 50-minute bearish fair value gaps. Just swept the data high, which was my target. Put it in the drawings. The data high, it was a news at 230. It's normally a nice target to the upside because it has a nice wick, but it already got hit with the opening candle. So the next target would be those equal lows, but seems like they already got taken out without us. Okay. Yeah, the equal lows got taken out, so it's nice for bullish targets, but yeah, it's not that clear. So I think it's better to wait for the 4-hour close. So we also have the macro time, which starts at 9:50 to 10:10, or the German time 3:50 to 4:10. Yeah, I think this is what I will wait for. This is a nice reaction from the 1 hour. Good, yeah. I think what I would like to see would be sweep of this internal low here. It's from the pre-market, and maybe we get a nice reaction back up to the targets up here. This is another internal low, and this is the big buy side liquidity. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, almost touches. It seems like it want to get hit. And I saw on the 4 hour, for me it's a market maker buy model, because we went up the curve, then we had a market maker sell model. We swept this low here on the 5th of August, and now we are back in a buy model. So overall we should be bullish on the higher time frames, and yeah, we will try to do that. Okay, we see this low is at 13.75. Okay, 14, so relative equal lows. Would have been better if we swept this low, or this also, maybe we get another move back. But we don't have any inverse or any fair value gaps here anyway, so doesn't matter. And here, as you can see, we have the data high candle, and after we swap this low here, we inverse the 2 minute, the 2 minute, or maybe it's a 3 minute. Yeah. Okay, the highest time frame would have been 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute. So after we inversed it, we would have taken a long. That's probably what most would have done, and targeted data high. Yeah, and it would have worked out. But I wasn't at the charts at the time, so it's fine. Some nice candles in the up move. Let's see if we are able now to sweep the lows here, or get an SMT or something like that. This would be nice if we get the move down now, to have some low resistance liquidity resting here. So I just got a question from the community. If we have this 5 minute, yes, it's definitely an inverse, but we know that if it's inversing, we know it goes to the next internal low, which would have been here. So there wouldn't have been an entry because it got inverse with this candle and already broke the low here. If it would, the wick would be here, we could have taken a short down here, but no. Internal low already got taken. I think if we get an inverse under 1 minute, it would be a nice short, because we have the equal lows as a target as well as internal lows. We swept the liquidity here, data highs, so a risk would be 20 points. I'm taking 5 micros if we get it. If not, if no entry, I'm also fine with that, and we're waiting for macro time. Okay, now we swept the highs. Depends on the reaction now. And we're still looking for this 4-hour, but there's a high chance. Okay, we need to close at around 5:30 to be inverse. So yeah, can even look more for longs. But I'm also willing to take shorts because of those nice targets, those equal lows. Checking. Yeah, the risk reward is not too nice, but I like that we swept this higher. And I'm definitely, if we get an entry around the end of the fair value gap, it's okay. If we get it around the 40s, I won't take it. But let's see, maybe we get another push down. Yeah, so let's see if we inverse it. No, we didn't inverse, so waiting for another 1 minute. Now there's a high chance that we just rush through if we inverse it. I won't take any longs because of those equal lows here. So I will go and share my screen, how I will make this trade. Okay, missed. Okay, yeah, maybe we get bought up before it hits the equal lows. Okay. Okay, I'm taking it with at 39. It's not really nice entry. Okay, this candle is definitely really strong. Probably getting stopped out there. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That was impressive. Didn't expect that. But I'm fine with that. I still liked it, actually, because we are still in this 1 hour bearish, 4 hour. I think I would have taken that almost always. And it was also macro time, so time aligned with price. Still willing, if we get another opportunity to risk another time, and if we don't hit it, I will just go off. there's a 2 minute. So now I'm waiting for this 2 minute to be inversed. Okay, no inversion here. Waiting for the next 2 minutes. It's still the highest fair value gap. Yeah, so we invest this 1 hour and 4 hour. So we'll definitely, I'm pretty sure we'll go to this internal high at least, and then later this day probably going to the 93. I think the only thing I could have done better would be my bias was really bullish, but yeah, in the end we swept like buy side liquidity inversed the 1 minute. So I was, or at the 2 minute at least, and there were equal lows below. So it's not a, it's a good setup. Now we just wait for the next one. Yeah, the reason I took this with micros is on the 50k account it would have been like a risk of $600, and that's, yeah, I don't know, like my heart pumping too much. And my personal daily loss limit is at 550. I think TopSap removed the daily loss limit, so now you can do whatever you want except for the maximum loss limit. So yeah, my personal daily was before it was 550, and it will still be 550. Okay, there was also at this, when I entered, there was an SMT with ES. ES already smashed the internal low and NQ not, but yeah, you know it in hindsight, but when the trade happens, you don't know it. I mean, there would have been also a chance that NQ goes to the equal lows, which is, in my opinion, a high probability. So this big up candles after it inversed, they are, I would say, really rare. So let's hope you might get another chance. At 570 at 2 minutes inversed. Break even would be at 56. But no inverse yet. we have equal highs here, so I'm not allowed to take shorts. I didn't see them first. Yeah, so even if we invest this 2 minute, I can't take shorts. Only if we take them out and then maybe inverse it. That's a chance. So if we have those equal highs and we sweep those equal lows and maybe the internal high, oh, we get an SMT down there, I'm really into longs to this internal high, but now I'm not taking shorts with the equal highs, yeah, and I'm not taking longs with the equal lows. Nice flush down. I heard some sub taking the straight with the 1 minute, but I would definitely go break even now because of the equal highs above. You just want to be flushed down. You don't want to be like stuck in the middle of something, in my opinion. So yeah, your entry should be around, you should be in 10 points profit now. So either take some off or wait, but definitely go break even. And first TP would be at 57. So if you would just show what if you took this, your TP1 should be definitely around here. And I would be break even now. Yeah. I had a 2 minute, didn't get inversed. Okay, we really have slow price action. A little bit of low resistance liquidity here. Would be really nice if we get the flush down, and then I think we are ready to take longs to those equal highs and then internal highs. Okay, nice. So let's hope those equal lows get taken out. And here we have nice low resistance liquidity. Yeah, if we take them out, and maybe this also at 514, and this would be an A trade, not an A plus trade, because you should be also delivering from a fair value gap and important liquidity if we want an A plus trade. So I think, so in my opinion, this would be an A trade, but we still have those nice targets. Plus on the higher time frames, we inversed everything on the long side, on the bearish side, so we are really bullish. But yeah, we need to sweep those equal lows before. Okay, now we get the flush down, equal lows get taken out as expected. Really sad that we left those equal highs here. But yeah, that's the game. I wouldn't, even if I would have taken the trade, I don't know where would have been the entry. Yeah, it would have been really bad entry, and I would have to put the stop loss above the equal highs, so at least at 619, and that, let's see, yeah, so absolutely negative RR. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that. So what would be really nice, I just checked if we have some higher time frame fair value gap, and this is the 4-hour fair value gap and also internal low. So we get, if we sweep the liquidity here and tap into the 4-hour, it would be even better. So okay, we also have an SMT now. But the entry is not too, I would be taking it if we inverse this 2-minute now with a strong up move. I would take it. Because of the SMT. We swept this low here on NQ and on yes not. And we have so many nice upside targets. I would be willing to risk it. But the 4-hour tap would be definitely my preferred situation. So I will be right back, going quickly to the toilet. So at the moment I'm not really expecting that we invest this 2 minute, but yeah, as said before, it would be nice if we get now the flush down, and maybe with the next macro time at what is it, 4:50 German time to 5:10, or in USA it should be 10:50 to 11:10. We get the next move up. So yeah, not sure where's the drawing mode. So I can tell you what I'm expecting. Maybe it's that. So yeah, I'm expecting something like that, and then yeah, that. So this would be my preferred way, and then we get the inversion around here. And then we can go break even at the internal high. This would be the A plus setup for the day, I think, after the data high setup. Yeah. Okay. But as said, I am willing to risk another time because of the SMT. It's still valid. So if we invest this 2 minute, I'm so I'm going to take another snap long. Going break even at 94 at first targets at 602. And 92, sorry, because it's the internal high. To remove the chart executions because they are kind of weird today, but you can still see the trade. So this is how I play it. If we get the move up, and this is the account where I risk a little bit more, so I'm going to put just 2 down here. So let's see. If not, I'm totally fine. I will be done for the day. My maximum loss today is 550, and yeah, I'm fine with that. Okay, I'm going to quickly change the screens. So if I'm right about the bias or the inversion that that we are go up, normally we just push in this direction, and if not, we get stopped out quickly. So I just hope now for the big green candle towards the first internal high, which is 92, going break even there. Yeah. Not yet. Okay, first TP hit. I'm going break even. On the other account, this is the account where I risk more. I will have 2 at the equal highs at 601 or 602. I don't know exactly. Checking again. Yeah, it's 602.25, exactly where it is here. But remember, it's the NQ chart here, and the equal highs are on the NQ chart. So if you want to be sure, just put it a few ticks below. Second TP hit. Now the thing is, because we are like super bullish, I will take the first one at the, checking again. Yeah, there's this internal high at 31. So should be around here, but I will just put one here, and then I'm still convinced that we will go to this over here. So yeah, those are my targets, and I'm going to sell 2 here and one at 694. So this is the game plan. Okay, I will put one here because it's just like 7 points, so it's 14 bucks. And if we miss this by a tick, and then we go all the back down to my stop, I would be definitely pissed. So I'm just trying to do what feels good and what is also in terms of the rules. So it's definitely smart to take on off at the internal high, and that's also the daily high if we hit it. So yeah, this is the plan. But we might get stopped out. Yeah, okay, so going to remove all. It's a nice big candle, that's why, well, it's not nice because we got break even, but we pushed nice above the, I will just change it to the other screen. Yeah, we just pushed to the equal highs, which is really nice. And yeah, I think we will see the 4-hour tap now, because this is like a absolutely, it's like a death candle. And yeah, let's see if we inverse some of that. Yeah, we inverse the 3-minute. So if I would have been fast, I could have probably entered, but it's not my bias at all. So yeah, let's see. Okay, 4-minute also not inverse, so good that I didn't react too fast. I'm just thinking about about this 4-minute, because we still have some nice lows here which can be taken out. But yeah, I'm not too sure about it. It would be nicer if we just, maybe if we invest it, we go down to this 4-hour, and then I'm willing to take some longs. And in 3 minutes starts macro time, so probably we see how 10 a.m. opens. No, 11 a.m., sorry. 5 p.m. for Germans. Yeah, I think I will take it on the account where I risk more. Maybe with light size. But or maybe no. I think I won't do it. Okay, I also don't like this candle, because with this candle we already swept the internal high, internal low. So no, I'll just stay still, and yeah, wait for another setup. I'm willing to take this 3 minute. And same as before, because if we have this death candle and everything gets bought up like that, it's definitely a more bullish sign. So let's see. And our bias is bullish, so yeah. So I'm in for another long. Okay. If we invest this 1 minute, I'm out, or maybe I get stopped out, but I won't. Yeah. Okay. I think I will be stopped out. I will just leave it for today, because I think I'm like over trading, and yeah, I don't. This price action is just not too good, so get everything bought up, and now I move back down, which is also big, so no. If this doesn't play out, I am done. Yeah, I'm done for the day, definitely. This is my other account. So what I could have done better with this long is definitely maybe this internal liquidity sweep is not that strong at with the 1 minute. I should have just waited for the tap back in the 4 hour. And also like the targets, before we had some equal highs here which got taken, but now we don't have them anymore. We just have like internal highs, and they are not as strong as equal highs or low resistance liquidity. So that was maybe a B setup. Even, yeah. But I'm still fine with that. Overall, there's a loss of 467 today, and 426 on the main account. Yeah, I think I made 450 yesterday, so yeah, should be done today to not lose too much. But yeah, we will see if we tap in the 4 hour and then get the move up. There's a word for it called patience, and I maybe wasn't patient enough. Yeah, so see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, just see you.